Hey everyone, this is Mobile Merchant. Now today I have a little bit of a different video for you guys today because I'm showing you guys how to get a nice high quality pair of shoes for a really low price. And the way you do that is through this website. It's called Dope Kicks, and I will link it in the description below. And what they do is they offer you very nice shoes for cheap prices. So you can see here they have Yeezys, NMDs, Ultra Boosts, they have Air Jordans, Air Force Ones, Air Maxes, they have Balenciagas, Off-White, Supreme, Vans, and more. And you may be wondering, how did they get these shoes for so cheap? And the reason is that these shoes are unauthorized authentic. So what that means is that they're still made in the same factories and using the same materials as the normal shoes, but they're just not contracted by Nike in order to produce those shoes. So you still get the same quality, and it looks exactly the same. I'll show you that in a bit because I do have a pair of Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Zebras, which you can see right here, that I got in the mail from this website recently. So I want to show you guys that the shoes look exactly the same, and like I said, the only difference is that they're not officially contracted, so they're able to sell them for a lot cheaper. Now, for example, how would you buy a shoe? If you wanted to go, say, get Ultra Boosts, all you have to do is go right here, click on the UI Ultra Boost, it's going to load, and you're going to get a lot of different options for shoes that you might want to buy. And you can see they have a whole collection of colors and styles and everything. So you're not very limited in the amount of shoes that you can get from this website. Or if you want Balenciagas, these are really popular right now. You can see they have all the styles that are available normally. And like I said, the prices are a lot cheaper than what you'd normally find if you're trying to buy these through the regular route. Now, what I want to show you guys is a sample of the shoes that they'll send you. So like I said, I got the Zebras, the Yeezy Boost Zebras, and I will show you guys that right now. Alright, so as you guys can see, the shoes do come in a very authentic looking box. It looks exactly the same as the real box, and it has like the size and everything. And now I'll show you guys the shoes. Alright, so now you can see here are the shoes that I got, and as you can tell, they do look extremely authentic. They look exactly the same as the normal shoes, and in fact I think they are actually the same. It's just, like I said, they're not contracted, so they're able to sell them for a cheaper price because it's not officially sponsored by the company, I guess. So you can see here, like if you look on the inside, it says Yeezy on it. The other one, it all looks exactly the same, and it feels very real too. Like the material is high quality, like they said. I honestly can't tell the difference between these and normal shoes that you'd buy directly from Adidas. And like I said, they're also a lot cheaper. So yeah, there you guys go. Alright, and one other thing I want to show you guys is that they're actually offering, this website, they're offering a free giveaway of shoes to one of my viewers that will follow their Instagram called @discount4sneaker. You can see it right here. I'll also put it in the description below. So all you have to do is follow them. Just click on follow here and comment your shoe size in their newest post. So for example, if this was their newest post, you click on right here after you follow them and just comment your shoe size, and they'll pick one lucky winner to get the UA Air Max 97s. So you can see that right here on their website. These are the Air Max 97s, and they will let you pick your own color. So whichever one that you like, just let them know if you were like one of the lucky winners, and they will send you a free pair of shoes. So like I said, once again, go to their Instagram @discount4sneaker, follow, and comment on their newest post your shoe size. And I will also put this information in the description below so that you guys can remember it. And also, once you get the shoes, they want you to film a review video on YouTube, link their site, and also send them their video to their email address, and they'll give you a $30 code for your next purchase. And in addition to that, they're also giving another three $30 discount codes for 3 people. And all you have to do for that is, once again, follow their Instagram and comment on their newest post your shoe size. and they'll also pick winners from there. And finally, in addition to all of that, they're also giving a discount code just for watching this video, and I'll post the discount code in the description, so make sure that you can use that. You can enter it whenever you're buying shoes from their website, and you'll get a nice discount on your next purchase. So yeah, that's about it, guys. If you want some really nice high quality shoes, make sure to check out this website. And if you want more awesome money making methods, remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel.